What's going on, everybody? Out here in the backyard, I've got my Crosman 1077 pellet rifle here, and I've got my DIY splatter targets down just a little ways in the back fence. We're gonna do a couple, pop a couple shots at it, see how it does. I hope everything is in focus. Wait for traffic. All right, let's go take a gander. All right, everybody. There it is. They work really well with the pellets. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Talk to y'all later. What's going on, everybody? Out here in the backyard, got my Crosman 1077 pellet rifle here, and I've got my DIY splatter targets down just a little